be in link with the nucleus which are in other countries, and we import semen so that they can get what they want to go further in the selection of their animals. So it's a very small company. We have, it's not very fixed, but about 250 workers. But amongst these, about close to 100 are freelanders, independent people, mainly inseminators, which are vets, and we have contract with them, but they are not working 100% for us. So what we can see is that we have a lot of people on farm to help the farmer to be efficient. So as mentioned previously, the goal is to try to improve the quality of the animals on farm, and for doing that we have to collect data on farm. So we collect data from the animal in production by doing milk control, for instance, or by weighting the animals if it is a beef breed. And by doing so, we can see how good a father is through his offspring, but we can also have info about how efficient the management of the farmer is. So all this data collected on farm is relevant. We do a lot of linear classification. So a linear classification is a description of the different parts of the animal, and by doing so we can say to the farmer, okay, this animal is nice, but should be probably improved for the next generation on this or this criteria, and through some mating advice it helps farmer to progress. In the past the goal was to improve the quantity of the production, then it was more about the quality, and these days it's probably more about the durability of the production. So okay, these are typical data from a company like AWI, but within AWI we have wanted to go one step further and also develop a technical and economical support. So we help farmers to, in their admin work, it's very boring for them, so we try to make it smarter, even if it's probably a bad idea because it's very high time consuming for technicians. But anyway, so far we have done that. But the benefit of it is that for some farmers, not all of them are doing it, but for some farms, we have data also from the book holding, the accountancy, so we can see how acute our advice are, because it's nice to say you should do that, but if at the end of the process the benefit is not there, it's probably not the right suggestion which was given. And so give a lot of advice about housing, feeding and so on, to be sure that the management of the farm is done as it should. We try to help farmers also through our IT department, because we have developed support to help them to be more connected. So in the other building we have a special room for training farmers which are not used to use computers, to come in a special session, and so they learn how to use programs and to go on internet and so on and so on. And we are very pleased to see that today 75% of the farmers are connected, so it helps for communicating with them. We have developed software for the herd management on farm, but they have also on a direct access to a special area where their own data are collected, and which is called MyAwayNet. So farmers have access to all the data collected by our system, and so they can work with that. well, we have not a lot of time, but it gives you some figures. I don't know if it's relevant to go through all these details, but so we collect a lot of figures on farm. What I would like to say is, once more, we are a small company. 180,000 first light, that's not a lot at all. But we produce a lot of semen. You can see much more than the quantity request here in our area. So the reason is that for some reason Belgian blue is booming all over the world. It's a nice tool for doing crossbreeding, so to improve the quality of the calves coming out of dairy animals, and for that reason 90% of our production is exported, and it gives us revenue for developing our activities, of course. And as you can see, once more, we are a small PME, a small company, as you can see our turnover. So our core business is